opposition leader Julius Malema has publicly commented on the 2026 Ugandan general elections, rejecting the declared outcome and raising concerns about the electoral process. Malema cited reports of nationwide internet blackout, restrictions on independent media, and incidents of violence targeting opposition supporters in Uganda in the days leading up to the vote. He noted that these measures could have affected transparency and the timely reporting of election results, and called for regional and international bodies to examine the conduct of the electoral commissions. Malema's statement also emphasized solidarity with the Ugandan electorate and political activists, while urging adherence to democratic norms and the protection of fundamental rights.
The 2026 Ugandan general election was marked by a nationwide internet blackout, repression of civil society, violence against opposition supporters, and the suppression of independent media and communication. Just days before the vote, the Uganda Communications Commission ordered the shutdown of internet and mobile service in a brazen attempt to blind citizens to the democratic processes and undermine transparency at the crucial moment when information is needed. Reports from international human rights organizations confirm that these steps violated fundamental rights to access information and free expression, creating information vacuum that shields abuses, delays results, and erode public confidence in the integrity of the elections. We condemn the violence and intimidation directed against opposition figures, political activists, and voters, and the unaccountable use of security forces to silence dissent. The EFF stands in firm solidarity with the people of Uganda and calls on regional and international bodies to recognize these elections as illegitimate and unacceptable democratic norms.
Malema's comments had to growing international attention on Uganda's 2026 elections. Observers say his remarks may increase scrutiny from regional organizations and global watchdogs, though the Ugandan government has maintained that the elections were conducted according to national law. The situation highlights ongoing debates across Africa about election transparency, access to information, and the protection of political freedoms. As Uganda continues to release official results of other elections and respond to criticism, analysts note that regional and international reactions could shape discussions on democratic standards in the country. For now, the African political community is closely monitoring developments with a focus on ensuring accountability and respect for established electoral processes.